Equatio has a direct LTI integration in Canvas where users can make math and STEM items inside the rich content editor. Simply choose the Equatio logo on the toolbar, or you may select the plug icon to launch LTIs in your Canvas course. As soon as you are done entering math into your LTI pop-up box, you may select Insert and the content will go right inside your editor. The alternative to using the LTI is to launch the Equatio web toolbar while navigating inside your Canvas course. Simply select the Equatio Chrome extension and you will receive a full Equatio toolbar experience where all of your STEM input methods are available to you, the user. When you are finished making your math, simply select Insert Math, and the content you created will insert right into the rich text field on the screen. Think of all the places the rich content editor is available in Canvas, from discussions, announcements, assignments, pages, and quizzes. We can help you make math and STEM content just about anywhere now inside of Canvas with the simple click of the Insert Math button. Enjoy this update from Equatio by TextHelp.